Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use a brain diagram. What is a brain diagram? A brain diagram is an illustration wherein practitioners can know more about the brain structure and the names and corresponding locations of the different parts of the brain. How the brain diagram looks may vary depending on the source of the diagram or the purpose. Resources can show either the top view or side view of the brain and highlight either the external or internal parts of the brain. Depending on the practitioner's needs, it can also be as general or detailed as possible. At Carepatron, we have prepared a brain diagram complete with an illustration of the brain and the corresponding labels for each part. You can download it at the Carepatron template library, which is linked in the description. Once you have a copy, you can use the resource. Here is a sample of our brain diagram, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our brain diagram, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.